Hello everyone, this is Diamond Suri from Canwings Consultants Private Limited, and I'm going to share a recent update that you all must be already aware of. That is the historic drop in the CRS score for the Canadian Experience Class invitations. So the 176th draw took place recently, and about 27,332 applicants were picked up, were given invitation to apply for a visa. These applicants were picked up from the pool of applicants who had applied for the Canadian Experience Class. Now, what was really huge about this was that the point score had drastically gone down to just 75 points. Now, this is considered to be historic, which has thrown all logic out of the windows. It is very difficult to say at this time as to why there was such a huge dip in the CRS score, but we definitely can try to understand how it can benefit the federal skilled workers. So with this draw, we definitely do know that more than 27,000 applicants are out of the pool, as they've already gotten invite. Therefore, the number of applicants you would be now competing with will tend to be lower, will tend to be fewer. And with this also, you need to understand that the particular CRS score, the number of invitations this time have been 5 to 6 times higher than what it used to be earlier. And what I need you to understand is that we do have some expectations for the CRS score to be dropped for the federal skilled worker as well. And the people who can benefit from a probably lower CRS score are the ones who are aged 50 years or over, who probably do not have a bachelor's degree or probably just have about 1 year of experience. So technically speaking, the scores drop for the experience class are indicative of a lower score that we can expect for federal skilled workers as well. Therefore, anybody who was sitting at a lower score earlier and probably thought that probably there's no way they could ever get an invitation to apply, this is a great time for you to immediately get your West done and make sure that you enter into the pool, so that during the next selection, who knows, it could pick you up this time. So please feel free to send your CVs to us on canwings@gmail.com. That is CAANWINGS@gmail.com, or call us on 78-498-78498. We'll be very happy to give you a free eligibility assessment, and we at Canwings can also provide you professional representation of your case through a Canadian lawyer. So until the next time, see you, take care, and goodbye.